Farida from Indonesia. Today I will show you how to make dancing cactus. How to make it? Follow step by step. How to make dancing cactus amigurumi. Let's make it. Row 1. Make 8 magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch. Row 2. Make 2 single crochet 3 stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 16 single crochet for total. Row 3. Make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch to single crochet, single crochet, to single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 4, we just make single crochet 3 stitches. We will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 5, make single crochet in the first stitch, second stitch single crochet, and the third stitch to single crochet. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, to single crochet. Follow this pattern. Row 6 to row 12, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 13, make single crochet 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then decrease single crochet 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 28 single crochet for total. Row 14 to 15, we just make single crochet 3 stitches. We will have 28 single crochet for total. Row 16, make single crochet 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then decrease single crochet 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 17 to row 20, we just make single crochet 3 stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 21, make single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then decrease single crochet 4 times. 1 2 3 4, decrease, follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 20 single crochet for total. Row 22 to row 42, we just make single crochet every stitches. We will have 20 single crochet for total. Follow this pattern. I finish until row 42. Don't forget for fill the crown. Cactus dancing's hand. Row 1. Make 8 magic ring. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 slip stitch. Row 2, make single crochet in this first stitch, 2 single crochet second stitch, single crochet first stitch, second stitch, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end. Row 3, make single crochet in the first stitch, second stitch, single crochet, and third stitch, 2 single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 16 single crochet for total. Row 4 to row 12, we just make single crochet every stitches. We will have 16 single crochet for total. Row 13, make single crochet 8 times, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Chain 1, turn your work. Row 14, make single crochet 3 times, 1 2 3, and decrease, and make single crochet again 3 times, 1 2 3, chain 1, and turn your work. Row 15, make single crochet 2 times, 1 2, and then decrease, make single crochet 3 times, 1 2 3, and make 8 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We make slip stitch in here. Row 16 to row 20, we just make single crochet every stitches, single crochet every stitches. We will have 18 single crochet for total. Follow this pattern. Make 2 hands and don't forget for fill the crown. dancing cactus eyes. Make magic ring. Six magic ring. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Row 2, make single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, 2 single crochet. We will have 9 single crochet for total. Row 3, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 9 single crochet for total. Make 2 eyes. Musical instrument. Row 1, make 6 magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 2, make single crochet in the first stitch, next stitch 2 single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. We will have 9 single crochet for total. Row 3 makes 2 single crochet in the first stitch and second stitch, third stitch 2 single crochet, single crochet 2 times and 2 single crochet. We will have 12 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 12 single crochet for total. Follow this pattern. Row 5, make single crochet in the first stitch, second stitch single crochet and third stitch decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 9 single crochet for total. Row 6, make single crochet in the first stitch and then next stitch decrease, single crochet and decrease, follow this pattern until the end and we will have 6 single crochet for total. Fill the crown. Row 7, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Change color. Row 8 to row 10, we just make single crochet every stitches. We will have 6 single crochet for total. Fill the crown and close by hand. make 2. Sew hem. Don't forget for use pin. And sew another hem. Then sew eyes. Don't forget for fill the crown for eyes.
Then sing cactus head.
Row 1, make 6 magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 2, make single crochet every stitches. You will have 6 single crochet for total. Row 3, make single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern. We will have 9 single crochet for total. Row 4, make 2 single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 18 single crochet for total. Row 5 to row 6, make single crochet every stitches. We will have 18 single crochet for total. Row 7, make single crochet in the first stitch, second stitch single crochet, third stitch 2 single crochet, single crochet 2 times, and 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 8, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Take the front loop. For row 9, single crochet every stitches in the front loop. Change color. Make 2 single crochet every stitches. We will have 48 single crochet for total. Row 11 to 12, we just make single crochet every stitches. Remember, until row 12, follow this pattern until the end.
First,
Row 1, make 14 chains. Row 2, make single crochet. We will have 14 single crochet for total. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Row 3 to row 5. Make double crochet every stitches. Make double crochet until last stitch. Chain 3, turn your work, and then make double crochet again until row 5. Row 6, chain 3, turn your work, and then make double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, turn your work, and then make double crochet 3 times. Cut yarn and make for another left side, and then make 3 chains. Make double crochet again, and make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 3 chains again. 1, 2, 3, and then make double crochet 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 3, and make 2 row again. Make double crochet. We will have 7 double crochet, and then make another side. Chain 3, make 3 double crochet, make 4 chain plus 3 chains. Turn your work, and then make double crochet 7 times. Make 3 chains, double crochet 7 times, 3 chains. Turn your work, make double crochet 7 times. Don't forget to use speed.